And we're back, this time talking about Celestia, otherwise known as TIA Crypto. This is a crypto that's been doing very well. And so as usual on my channel, I like to give my audience very good high quality altcoins. And so nothing's changed. If you like altcoins, consider subscribing, notification bell, so you can see the really good high quality altcoins that I'm about to give you as we get started for the next stage of the bull run. But the reason why TIA Crypto is a very good crypto, other than it's sitting at $11.50 down from its low of $2 on the 31st of October, is because most cryptos that get launched on the Binance exchange end up pumping and dumping. That is 95% of newly listed altcoins that end up pumping and dumping on the Binance exchange. Now, TIA Crypto comes out, and guess what? It never breaks it. It never breaks it. Completely amazing that it doesn't break $1.80, essentially call it. Doesn't break this area right here. Doesn't break it, okay? That's your first sign that this is a really good, strong crypto. Now, but for me, I like to be a little bit more conservative, and I'm happy to pay a premium if it means that this is a really strong crypto. And what is your sign that this is a strong crypto? You have your first trending phase. This is your first trending phase, going from about November 18th to about, November 30th. So call it 2 weeks almost of it just going sideways, basically making up its mind. Do we want to go lower? Do we want to go higher? You end up getting a pretty big sell-off day on the 21st of November, and that ends up immediately getting reversed the very next day on the 22nd of November, where you get this candle that basically engulfs the first candle, showing that this is a good crypto and prices are basically definitely going higher from here on out. And it does, right? It does, and you get the pull up, and then you end up getting significant signs of support, particularly this candle right here. The reason why this candle is significant is because it's around that $10 mark. Now, the blue horizontal line is the $10 mark. It's the $10 mark right here, okay? $10 is a significant area of any financial asset because it is a big sign of resistance or support. Anything with a 1 in front of it, to start off with it, is a significant sign of resistance or support to come. So $1, $100, $10, $1,000, whatever it may be, there's a significant areas of support or resistance. And you can see this, in this case, it was a significant sign of resistance, but it ends up blowing past it on high volume, good spreads, meaning that it ends up closing very good down from the sell-off and indicating that prices are coming up higher. Now, we are obviously getting a sell-off. Currently, it's sitting at 10% down for the day, so we'll have to see what ends up happening. And with the close, it could get a lot of support and ends up shooting up. We'll have to wait and see. You'll probably see after this video is uploaded, but this is a significant area for it to see. Now, where do I want to see TIA going? I don't want to see it breaking $10 as discussed. If we do, we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully it's just the wick and not the actual candle closing below. That's a significant sign of it being weak. But if it does, next area would be this yellow horizontal line at $8.40. We don't want to see it breaking that. If it ends up breaking $8.40, the absolute bare last one is this sign here, which is where the support came in, and that's about $8, call it. So those are the 3 areas I wouldn't want to see TIA going in those stages: $10, $8.40, and below $8. After that, in terms of price predictions, now the bull run is gearing up, so these price predictions are definitely attainable, but it will most likely be late 2024, early 2025. But unless we get some really good high momentum happening, we probably won't see that. So we've got $18, $21, $25, $31. Those are some areas to be looking at, and this crypto can definitely hit $50 mark, but we need the whole scene to move so the market cap ratio stay the same. If we have a look at TIA against its BTC value, most cryptos are bleeding out to its BTC value, but TIA, you can see clearly outperforming BTC, and the trend is your friend, right? If a crypto is outperforming BTC for a couple weeks, which we've been seeing, this is one of your early indicators that this will continue to be it, and you would be a fool to bet against it unless you get severe signs that it is changing direction. And so we are getting a pullback, I'm not denying that, but those are your areas right here, about 0.0027 of a BTC, and then you got the 50% coming there at 0.00204 of a BTC, which would be this yellow horizontal line. You don't want to see those 2 areas break, and then you are definitely on the way down. But for the time being, this is a very strong crypto. You're getting a strong pullback to see where this thing's going, and for the time being, this is an area to look at where the significant sign of support is coming at. So that's going to do it for this short video on Celestia. This is, again, one of my favorite ones to keep a look at, but we have to wait and see how it bounces and how it reacts in the coming days, because like I said, we are getting a attempted sell-off. But before you go, I got an Arweave video that is looking absolutely amazing at the moment, so I'll link that one down below. But until then, I will catch you on the next one.